everybody, and welcome back to Quick Tips. Today I want to talk a little bit about my 5 favorite shortcuts here in Adobe Photoshop. Number 1, zoom. You can zoom in on a Photoshop document by using Control on a PC or Command on a Mac and using the plus or minus keys on your keyboard. Number 2, transform. For this one you'll use Control or Command and then the T key to go into your transformation mode. Here you can rotate, flip, or do other edits to your piece. Note, this needs to be on its own individual layer, and it won't work on a background layer. Number 3, brush size and hardness. If I start drawing and find that my brush is too large or too hard, I can adjust this very easily using the brackets keys. The left bracket will make my brush smaller, and the right bracket will make it larger. For hardness, if I hold down the Shift key, I can change the hardness of my brush. Number 4, undo. Let's say I don't like that brush work at all. All I have to do is a Control or Command Z. And number 5, if all else fails, I can hit Control or Command N for a brand new document and start all over again. Well, that's it for this week. Hope to see you again next week for another quick tip.